Okay guys, it's time to finish the exhaust off. So these are the pieces I've got to sort of reshape to get past the pedal box plate I did in the last video. So because the floor's dropped now, the exhaust needs to go sort of down the side there, so I need to reshape it for that. So yeah, I'm going to cut these down. I've got to cut this first downpipe down here and then rearrange it, sort of twist it, move it around a bit so it can go down a different route. I'm going to use this to sort of for the joints. So yeah, let's cut it and crack on. Okay, so start to rearrange these downpipes. So there's it going onto the manifold, and as you can see, it's hitting the new piece I've made for the pedal box. So I'm going to have to cut it there somewhere and rejig it a bit more over this way towards the gearbox, so it can actually follow the line down along here and hopefully into where it came from. So I've got a dedicated blade on it just for stainless steel. Okay, that's them bits cut down. Okay, there's all downpipe pieces cut into 3 pieces. The part of the exhaust had squashed, I think because the engine mounts are solid and the bottom of the exhaust was mounted to the body engine with a little bit and squashed it. That happened quite some time ago. Anyway, that piece is cut out now. So this is obviously off the manifold. It comes down, focus, and then that will join to that and come down there, but in between there is the flexi. Okay, let's get this on the car and then we'll start from there down and work out the angles. Okay, so just weld on this first extension piece to the downpipe. I'm going to leave this part here because it's going to be a black weld rather than the butt, so I need to back purge it. I'll do it when I get in the shed, but for now let's get this on the car and start building from here down. Okay, so that's the piece up there from the manifold coming down. Now this is the flexi joint, so I'm going to have to tack it there. So there's a lot of space around it, which is good. Enough space for the heat shield to go on. So yeah, so I'm going to tack it there, and then build that fully, and then I'll start this other piece, which is here, and then hopefully then it will go down kind of like that and shoot it for the gap there to go along. Now let's get this piece tacked up first and weld it up, then we'll go bit by bit. Okay, that's the one clocked up, marked up, and then sort of like where in position is good. It's going to go. Let's have a look. It's aimed pretty good. Lots of space around it for the new heat shield to go. This clock's to go straight down there and hopefully angled over into the exhaust. Okay, let's get this off. Let's get this welding done around here, and then we'll start the underneath piece. Okay, all right, that's that downpipe done. Yeah, all okay. Right, let's get this on the car, and then we'll start doing the here to the middle box. Yeah, I'll go forward a bit more. Always will cut it there before that weld. Let's see where we are with that. Okay, let's see if we can get this to shoot straight. Look at that, bloody hell. Done that before, haven't you? That's perfect. Okay, let's get that clock line. A little bit away from the body. Nice clock line. Okay, perfect. Let's get this bit trimmed down, make a sleeve either end, and then this last bit join up and we're good to go. So we've got last bit. Okay guys, right, so that's the downpipe sort of tacked in. So there's a joint there. That would I'll take it up for now because I'm going to back purge it with the gas. So about 5 CFH of back purge. Then it come out the top there and then start welding it. And there's a setting I'm going to use. Maybe play with amps a little bit, but that should be fine. Let's try and get you a good arc shot with this. Okay, so this is the finished result for the downpipe adjustment I had to make for the pedal box fitting. So yeah, quite a few welds in there. And then another flex on this end to make it fit a bit better. Okay, let's get onto the car and see how it looks. Okay, that's exhaust feed up now. Going to start the car minute, make sure there's no leaks. But yeah, there's the middle bracket, support against the gearbox. And then they'll flex it down the other end there and going into the middle box. Right, let's start up and make sure there's no leaks before we get back off and start the heat shielding. Okay, she's running. Don't see too many leaks on the downpipe or something underneath, but it's looking good. So there's the pedal box adjustment, lower floor, and there's a fairly clear around the exhaust. So I'll be leaving it here for guys. So thanks for joining me on this video. Join me next time and I'll be putting some heat shield around this exhaust. It's really going to be a structural problem because this blankets are not good enough. Anyway guys, see you next time. Take care.